Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure funding opportunities with AngelList step by step clearly. Create an account on AngelList by visiting the website. Fill out the necessary information to set up your profile. Choose whether you're creating a profile as an entrepreneur or an investor. If you're an entrepreneur, highlight your skills, experience, and what makes your startup unique. Upload a professional profile picture to enhance your credibility. Create a compelling company profile that outlines your business concept. Include key information such as the industry, market size, and target audience. Add your team members and their respective roles, showcasing their expertise. Ensure your pitch deck is ready and accessible for potential investors. Research potential investors on AngelList who align with your industry. Engage with investors by following them and commenting on their posts. Craft a personalized message when reaching out to investors. Clearly state what you are seeking and why your startup is a good match. Be prepared to discuss your business model and growth potential in detail. Schedule follow-up conversations if a potential investor shows interest. Continue updating your profile and interactions based on feedback and experiences. Build a network by connecting with other entrepreneurs and investors on the platform. Stay active on AngelList to increase visibility and attract funding opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.